Hi, good evening dear students. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVEM School, Harinamarakam. Dear students, this is part 11 video for the 7th standard, second chapter, fractions and decimals. Dear children, in our today class, we have to discuss about the first content, that is division by division division by 100, sorry, 10, division by 100, division by 1000, division by 10,000. Yes, means by taking any numbers with divisor has 10, with a new denominator has 10, what will happen? Let us see dear children. First I will take up 10. Suppose example 1, here 25 by 10. 25 by 10, what is the answer? Here in the denominator part only 10 is there now. In the numerator part from the left side, after the one digit. After the one digit means that will become decimal point here, that will become 2.5. Example 2, suppose 37.10. In the denominator part only 10, in the numerator part from the left side after the give point decimal point one digit, that will be 3.7. Example 3 dear children, suppose 197 by 10. In the denominator part only 10 is there. In the numerator part from the left side give after the one decimal place, that will become after decimal place one place means that is 19.7. Then example 4 dear children. Example 4, suppose 7 by 10. Here in the denominator part only 10. From the left side after the decimal place 1. After the one decimal place means here one place means yes give point here, that will be 0.7. Suppose example 5 dear children. Suppose 4 by 10. Here only 10. After the decimal place one place in the numerator part, that is 0.4. Yes, here by taking like this it is Baba. Then by taking 100. Suppose example 6. 25 by 100. 25 by 100. What will happen? In the denominator part two zeros are there. When the only 10 is present in denominator part, you are giving decimal point after the one place. When only 10 is present in denominator, then you will give decimal point in the numerator part after the one place. Here two zeros are there na. Here 1 2 decimal point will 0.25. Example 7. Suppose 67 by 100. 67 by 100. Here two zeros is there na. From the left side after the two places. After the two places means that is 0.67. Example 8. Suppose 235 divided by 100. Yes, here two zeros are there. 1 2. Here answer is 2.35. Example 9. 169 by 100. Very simply you can give decimal point as yes 1 2. Yes, that answer is 1.69. 1.69 like this. Here why I am saying like this means you will get 2.5 answer. There is no doubt at all. But it is a tricks. It is a simple tricks. Here it avoids the actual long division. It avoids that long division method. Yes, I will get that answer. It is not necessary. 2.5 will get. See here. 25 by 10. I can write 10 as divisor. 25 as dividend. 10 to the 20. Yes, 25 minus 20 means 5 is left out. Give decimal point, that will be 50. 10 5 is 50. Yes. Here how much remain? How much quotient is there? 2.5. Answer is 2.5. It avoids that a long division method. You should have a basic concept. How many places, how many zeros are present in a decimal in the denominator part. In the numerator part, from the left side, you give the decimal point. Number of zeros in denominator part, how many are there? You have seen. Then give the decimal point. So that much of decimal places. That will be the answer. Okay, let us. I will move for the next term by using the 1000. Yes, I will remove this one. Yes, and by using the 1000, suppose example 1, example 10, you have to take example 10. Suppose 3 by, or don't take 3 as before, you have to take 315 by 1000. Here number of zeros in the denominator part 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, give decimal point, that is 0.315. Example 11. 4675 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000 means here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, answer is 4.675. Example 12, dear children. Suppose 27 by 100. Sorry, 27 by 1000. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Take this as 0. Here you can give 0. Nothing will happen. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Give decimal point here. That is 0.027. Example 13, dear children. Suppose only 8. 8 by 1000. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Give decimal point. That is 0.008. Yet it completes that we can divide that numbers by using 10, 100, 1000. 10,000 if you take number of zeros there, 4 is there. Now in the numerator part, after the 4 decimal places, we have to give decimal point. That completes the division by 1000. Okay, dear children, in my next class I will directly move for the directly division of decimals. Thank you all. Bye.